As the demands made on vehicles of all kinds get tougher, so the facilities to test ever higher specifications get rarer. High performance and safety, durability and reliability are essential to any kind of vehicle, but especially in the military arena. Designs have to match expectations in all areas, no matter how minute. Testing has to be rigorous and comprehensive, which is why a vast range of customers with very differing needs use the facilities of the Defence Evaluation and Research Agency. An agency of the British Ministry of Defence, DERA works to provide customers from around the world with high-quality test and evaluation expertise. At Chertsey, the organisation has the ability to examine everything, from an individual component to the basic design of a vehicle. DERA Chertsey and its antecedents have been doing that job for more than 50 years. It's known across the world as a centre of excellence. Established to help the Ministry of Defence research and develop main battle tanks, Chertsey has had an important influence on the creation of modern military vehicles of all kinds. That expertise and depth of experience has also been used to benefit commercial clients over the years. But the main focus of our work has remained and will remain military. The organisation boasts a multidisciplined technical staff that includes trials and instrumentation engineers, trials designers and test drivers, all backed by an extensive range of support services. Our procedures are rigorous but highly adaptable, and standard test methods are recognised internationally and are fully repeatable. Customers are encouraged to outline their specific needs before any tests begin, to ensure the best results every time. Before testing starts, trials and design staff discuss the needs of a project in minute detail. Then a trials designer creates a thorough program that will achieve the customer's precise needs. A trial specification is produced, which details the range of tests through which the vehicle will pass. Each is given a safety check and then moves into its specific program. The range of test possibilities is enormous. Vehicles can be tested to meet very demanding specifications. They can range from very rough terrain to extremely humid climates, conditions that can be reproduced easily so that the right data can be collected and analysed. A unique tilt platform can assess the static stability of a vehicle. The 100-ton platform provides designers with the precise height of a vehicle's centre of gravity. Instrumented trials, which are fundamental to the testing of military and civil vehicles, are carried out. The accurate measurements provide a solid base for the critical decisions of vehicle component acceptance. Stress, shock and vibration, temperature and noise are amongst the many parameters that can be measured. Data can be collected in a range of formats, from ruggedized magnetic tape recorders used in harsh trials conditions to laptop computers which give instant, real-time analysis. Suspension courses offer a range of surfaces, from the rough to the very rough. And some very steep slopes can test a vehicle's performance on the way down and then back up again. The steepest slope is a 1 in 1.73 gradient and is used mainly for track-laying vehicles. Vehicles can be tested on the 1 in 2, the 1 in 3 and the 1 in 4 slopes. The high-speed test track is 2 miles of stone-rolled asphalt, which was built to withstand the rigours of testing heavy military vehicles. The speed limit is a nominal 70 miles an hour, but this can be relaxed when necessary. which frequently it is. To test and exercise steering, suspension and braking mechanisms, the gradients, bends and cambers of the snake course can be extremely demanding. There's also a straight and level track which allows scientists to measure steering and braking wander. Of course, there are repair and maintenance facilities to deal with any breakdowns or damage whilst the customer's vehicle is under evaluation. The organisation's facilities allow customers to prove that their vehicles are fit for the use for which they've been designed. They can test the reliability of vehicles or specific features, and competitive evaluation can be carried out to establish tender criteria or to choose between competing vehicles. And in the civil sector, new vehicles are often tested by journalists here at Chertsey. Other tests that are available include a drop test, loading and offloading ramps, gap crossing, vertical risers to see how vehicles deal with steps or obstacles, and a wading pit to test the ingress of water. Winch tests can also be carried out to test vehicles that have to pull or recover other vehicles or very heavy loads. And a slip pad can be used to measure the handling characteristics of vehicles. It is also available as a demonstration and exhibition area. As well as putting vehicles through their paces over different kinds of terrain, Chertsey's Climatic Laboratories can reproduce a range of climatic extremes. Normally, vehicles would have to be sent to far-flung outposts to gather data on performance and durability in either very hot, very wet, or very cold conditions. This is usually a costly exercise with no guarantee that those conditions will be found. But just 25 miles from London, vehicles can be soaked by a tropical rainstorm of varying strength. They can be tested in the most severe of Arctic conditions, or made to operate in the extremes of heat and humidity. Whatever the source of severe weather conditions, including those caused by altitude, they can be replicated in an authentic manner. And any kind of vehicle can be iced, heated or buffeted by winds of up to 60 miles an hour. Customers can be sure that they'll get the data they need to design the weather into their specifications and test that the vehicle will work where it's been designed to operate. These DERA facilities are also located in the south of England. An alpine course reproduces the extreme conditions found in hostile terrain. 3 miles of loose flint roads are interspersed with severe gradients and tight bends. A rough road course, also over 3 miles, has the same tough surface but is designed to test larger, heavier vehicles. Another very demanding cross-country test course provides similar surfaces and is used to test main battle tanks and other track vehicles. The course offers significant seasonal contrasts. In summer, it's dry, hard and dusty. And in winter, the conditions are wet and extremely boggy. DERA also has a test site which is aimed at the heavy plant machinery that's vital to the logistic side of any military operation. Naturally, it's also useful for customers involved in large construction projects. Heavy machinery can often get bogged down, which then delays the supply of men and material. Special courses enable customers to test vehicles in very heavy conditions, on and off-road. So, earth-moving equipment, mobile construction plant, as well as a host of other heavy machinery can be tested for stability, behaviour of suspension and general effectiveness and performance. Once tests have been completed, all the data is collated and sent for analysis. Full data analysis and report publication facilities using the latest technology complete a comprehensive testing service. Reports are produced to meet the customer's specific needs using state-of-the-art computer publishing software. DERA Chertsey is an important resource that's renowned across the world. Vehicles that have been put through their paces by the Chertsey trials facilities are given an added boost in the outside world because of their association with the organisation's expert staff. Our people provide a rigorous test and evaluation service that's second to none. Their knowledge and experience is unrivaled, as is their reputation for excellence and scientific precision. Customers range from the makers of family cars to motor racing specialists, from the manufacturers of fire tenders to petrol tankers and large commercial lorries. And of course, DERA's main source of work is the highly demanding British Ministry of Defence. For military customers, DERA Chertsey provides the comfort of a long and well-established pedigree in the area of testing, fighting and logistic vehicles. And the organisation can provide access to the entire defence research effort of Great Britain. So we offer customers a full range of services and facilities, a depth of experience and expertise that's hard to match anywhere in the world. DERA Chertsey is simply the place to test any kind of vehicle. Put us to the test.